Gloria has an associate's degree in veterinary technology from Morehead State University, a bachelor's degree in animal science from the University of Kentucky, a master's degree in animal science with an area of concentration in microbiology, and a master's of public health in epidemiology, all from the University of Kentucky. She's now pursuing a PhD, working with Dr. Craig Carter, who's out of the veterinary diagnostic lab, working in the area of microbiology and epidemiology. Gloria.
Leptospirosis is a bacterial infection that has been documented in over 160 mammals. It is a zoonotic infection, which means it can be transmitted from animal to man, and it can also be transmitted from animal to animal. In all species, symptoms and signs can range from mild to flu-like to even death. However, in large animals such as cows and horses, the major problem is abortion. And in Kentucky, where horses are very important economically, thousands and millions of dollars are lost each year on average to abortion. And individuals that come in contact with these horses and other animals that harbor this bacterium and shed into the environment are at increased risk for infection. Serovars are distinct types of the family, and in Kentucky, abortion is mainly caused in horses by Pomona. However, Grippe typhosa has been seen, whereas Serovar bratislava is most common in the European horse population. However, its incidence in the United States is unknown. The bacteria can enter in any portion of the skin, mucous membranes, and the conjunctiva of the eye, where it can lead to infection and eventually potential blindness. It could also be harbored in the renal tubules of the kidneys and shed in the environment via the urine. In spring of 2016, a study was begun to determine the equine carrier state of Leptospirosis in Kentucky. Thus far, 226 horses submitted to the University of Kentucky Diagnostic Lab have qualified for this study, and an estimated 500 will be enrolled. The kidney, the vitreous humor, and whenever possible, urine will be tested by polymerase chain reaction, or PCR, for Leptospira DNA, and the vitreous humor and the heart blood will be tested by microscopic agglutination test to determine antibodies to Leptospira. Thus far, 39% of heart blood and one vitreous sample are MIT positive, and Bratislava serovar has been detected in 27% of these heart bloods. To date, kidney samples have all been negative, and depending on PCR to both the urine and the vitreous for Leptospira DNA. So thus far, 39% of horses have been presented to the diagnostic lab, have been exposed to Leptospira regardless of the time of year, and Serovar bratislava appears to be more common than what was previously thought. Thank you.
Thank you, Gloria.